What's going on, everybody? So I'm back in the video. Hope everyone's having a great day. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get iOS 16 beta 2. So it just dropped today. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to update from beta 1 to beta 2 if you're currently on iOS 16, as well as if you're also on iOS 15 and you actually want to test out the beta, I will be showing that as well. So for those on iOS 16 beta 1, which I'm currently on right now, all you have to do is go to your settings application, and then what you want to do is go to the general tab, software update, wait a couple seconds, and then you should get the update. So iOS 16 developer beta 2, approximately 1.83 gigabytes. Doesn't really give it too much information, just says this beta version of iOS 16 contains bug fixes and improvements. Personally, I didn't really experience any issues with beta 1 other than the battery drain, which most of you guys obviously know, and a ton of people are loving the update, saying this is one of the most stable beta 1 updates that we've had in a very long time. So all you have to do is download update and you're good to go. No computer is required. And then for those that are on iOS 15 and actually want to test out the beta, I will have a link down below the description to a full tutorial on how to do that without a computer and without a developer's account, where you guys can get iOS 16 beta 2 right away. So you don't have to install beta 1 and then go to beta 2. It will automatically be beta 2 once you do install it. So there you guys have it. That's basically it for the video. Hope you guys did enjoy this one. Let me know down below in the comment section, will you be updating to iOS 16 if you're currently on iOS 15, as well as for those that are updating to beta 2, what do you guys think about it currently? Yeah guys, curious to hear you guys' thoughts on that. But that's basically it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.